Hello, in today's short information video we'll be talking about ChatGPT for language learning. So ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like responses to text input. In the discussion we will explore how ChatGPT can be used to improve language learning for people of all levels. So ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model that is designed to understand natural language input and generate human-like responses. It is trained on a large corpus of text data and has the ability to understand context and meaning. The benefits are ChatGPT can provide instant feedback and correction to language learners. It can simulate real-life conversation and help learners practice their speaking and listening skills. ChatGPT can provide personalized learning experience tailored to the individual needs of each learner. There are a variety of ways that ChatGPT can be used for language learning, including chatting with ChatGPT directly and practicing conversation skills, using ChatGPT to translate text into target language, and incorporating ChatGPT into language learning apps or websites to provide personalized feedback and learning experience. So, the limitations can be that ChatGPT may not always provide accurate or natural sounding responses, especially when it comes to idiomatic expressions or crucial nonsense. ChatGPT is not a subtitle but for real-life conversation practices and interactions with native speakers. So in conclusion, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for learning language, providing learners with instant feedback and personalized learning experience. While it has its limitations, ChatGPT into language learning can be a great way to supplement traditional language learning methods and provide learners with additional opportunities to practice and improve their skills. So, guys, I asked ChatGPT for some benefits. You can see some benefits: conversational practice, immediate feedback, access to authenticated language, and so on and so on. And I asked it for a quick example. So, of course, you can go to ChatGPT and play with yourself, ask it by yourself. You can get quizzes in another language that you can learn some other languages. Of course, with every language you need to start somewhere by the simple words and letters and everything else. You know how it goes. And of course, yeah, I encourage you to try it, to explore it, and to play with it. And you can get a lot of it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this short informational video, and if you need some other tutorials or instructions, visit our YouTube channel. Please leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.